Photosynthesis is the process in which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make food. Basically, infinite food glitch, and that's why most plants are green because of chlorophyll. But yeah, this mostly happens in plants. Or does it? Because research has proven that some animals can also photosynthesize. One of these bastards is that word, possum. I'm not gonna say that word. This biological nightmare just stresses me out low-key, and honestly, just the name alone gets my dyslexia praying. Also known as the pia aphid. Eats plants, more specifically it eats plants sap, but can also photosynthesize because it has a green pigment called carotenoid, which is a feature it gets from genes of fungi. How did this little bastard get its hands on this algae? Nobody knows, but we do know it mainly comes in three colors: green, orange, and white. Orange is my favorite, you'll find out why. The color depends on how much energy the possum can make when exposed to sunlight, and is also a result of how much keratin is present in its skin. Or do these things have skin? I don't know. White produces the least amount of energy, green produces a good amount of energy, and orange is doing the most, especially when it's exposed to sunlight, but it does slow down in the dark, like me for real. And scientists say that these insects probably only use this form of energy harvesting when times get tough, you know what I'm saying, like when rain's due. Elysia chlorotica, I think, is the most famous on this list because it's the OG of OGs, because it's one of the first animals that have been known to use sunlight to make food by eating someone else's food. Wait. First it eats algae, which contains chloroplast, which is really good for photosynthesis. And the Elysia cells basically hijack the chlorophyll, and the slug basically becomes a leaf. Why people call it the emerald green sea slug. Very fitting name. And this life hack makes it possible for this bad boy or bad girl to not be able to eat for months on end and just exist, living the dream until it dies after 9 to 10 months. Okay, next one. This shit got really depressing real fast. Last one, like us for real, because it has a backbone, unless you're a Twitter user. The spotted salamander, a name that doesn't make me sound illiterate. Also, am I tweaking, or does this thing low-key remind me of A$AP Rocky? In a good way though. Anyway, this thing has algae inside its cells. You guessed it, makes it possible to photosynthesize, because why not? Actually, it starts when the salamander is an embryo, because salamanders are known to reproduce and or deliver in ponds free from fish, because you know the fish will eat the baby salamanders, and we don't want that happening. Or maybe the fish do, I don't know. And the baby salamanders are born in waters with little amount of oxygen, so algae move into the embryo and basically do the fusion dance. The algae and the embryo gain nutrients from each other, making it a healthy relationship. The algae provides oxygen and glucose, and the embryo provides nitrogen-rich waste and CO2. Just to show you how fucked up nature can get. And also, this is why it has yellow spots. Why does this happen? Say it with me. No one knows. But it's still cool. Plus, this is the only vertebrate that is known to be able to photosynthesize. And they can live up to 30 years. So, yeah, they're doing something good. And I think they know something that we don't. Shout out to the scientists for studying this stuff and explaining it in a way my dumbass can understand and make shitty videos about it. As always, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe on this video. And this is a video, and these are two videos on the screen that YouTube probably thinks you wanna watch, so click them. But yeah, that's it from me. See you next year, I think, because I have to write exams. But yeah, bye.